Here we come to the elevators at the Hotel Icon in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Otis Series 4. I don't know what year these were installed, but this is an old historic hotel from 1911. We got this one right here, and it's sitting on peak up. Look at that floor indicator. I love that floor indicator. Look at this beautiful cab. Although quite small. Let's go to LL. Judging by it looks, I think this replaced an old manual elevator. Or I think these floors are locked off, if I'm not mistaken. No way! It's open! I don't believe it! I don't believe it! I can't believe it! I can't believe it's unlocked! That took me by surprise. Anyways, this building was constructed in 1911, and I think it became a hotel around 1924, I think. LL? Looks like the phone door is locked shut. You see, this is where you enter your key card, but no wonder they actually disabled it. You're going to one?
Yes, sir.
The lobby?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Hello. Hey, man, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Got somewhere good for dinner on the going out to eat list tonight, man?
Yes, sir. Blue Sushi. I'm taking my girl out for her birthday today.
Nice, man.
Yes, sir. And we're gonna have just about 30 people reserved.
You guys
Oh,
have
that's
one
good.
for the rest of the day.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, man. You too.
Thank you, sir.
All right, have a great day. We're gonna try to take this thing up for one more ride, and then after that we'll get the other elevator car. It's a single slide door and it's much bigger. I just don't believe these are unlocked now. I'm gonna try to get a much better cavity on the way down. All right, let's end it at the lower level. This is a beautiful cab. I love this. This thing's a beauty. Even though they did replace an old elevator. We'll send this up and we'll get the other elevator car on the left. See, look at this. I really love this cab. You see, this one is much smaller, but that one over there is much bigger. I think they installed this one right here, and this is where it used to have an old manual elevator that they just replaced. So anyways, we're gonna get the other elevator car. Are you coming up? Okay. This one's unlocked as well. See, this one is much bigger. See, it looks like this one is newly installed. I think these were installed in 2008 because that's when the hotel was last renovated, but this is an old historic building from 1911. These are your fixtures right here. Look, there's a view outside. There's a view of downtown Houston. All right, let's end it at L. Same cab, but a lot bigger. You want lobby?
Yes, please.
All right, sir, you have a wonderful rest of the day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. Is there a phone? The handle's missing. Anyways, I really love this picture right here. This picture of an old F1 locomotive. I think it's an F something. I don't know what kind of locomotive this is, but I absolutely love this picture right here. This is my favorite. All right, we're gonna watch the elevator close and I'll let you watch the number from that floor indicator up there. This. Love that. The staircase. Look at this thing. Oh, it is.
Yes, sir.
Looks like, I wonder what this used to be. Wow. Beautiful lobby. All right, well, with that being said, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.